how to remove a Microsoft account from Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to remove your Microsoft 365 from one of the windows? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Microsoft 365 and then you will see apps and devices in the left side. Just tap on it and then you can see the devices option. Tap on the arrow and then you can see what devices your Microsoft 365 is signed in. So if you want to remove any of them, just tap on sign out and then it will be signed out. It's as simple as that to remove the Microsoft 365 account from your Windows. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.